Hi, this is Ellie Davis with Deepview. I'm a lead engineer, and I'm here with Nick, who's a sales lead. And basically, we're showcasing today our hands-free highway lane centering system. It's fully automated steering and cruise control, all from our X2000 development ECU. And we have the development ECU in the trunk, and we have our forward camera right here. And then here's our CarPlay-based application. So click on Deep View, and this will go ahead and get us started. Here we've got a steering wheel, which has got the current angle, the model predictions, and the auto steer command. And then we've got 3 safety features for testing here, which is one, the brake will always disengage the system. So anytime the user hits the brake, it'll safely turn off. Cooperative steering. So anytime we steer the wheel, the system will immediately relinquish control to the user. And the third is we have velocity limiting. So use the cruise control set speed. If you're going into a sharp turn at 80 miles an hour, the system will cap you at 70 or 60 or 50 or less miles per hour based on the sharpness of the turn. So we have basically a bunch of safety guardrails. And with that, we'll go ahead and give it a test drive. As we wait at this red light, here, this steering can okay. That's the vehicle basically saying that it's, the steering is in a healthy state. Can read is our read of the CAN bus. And then plan read is the plan coming from the cameras and running through our AI model that's built on Openpilot. So huge thanks to the Openpilot team for their open source software. And we're leveraging the Openpilot AI model and controls and integrating it into our development ECU. Then across the top here, we've got auto steer on or off, our auto steer warnings, which is for sharp curvature, or if the steering controls can't match the path. Then over here, it's the vehicle state. And then same thing for cruise control on the bottom, our system state, any warnings such as speed limited by projected curvature of the road. And then over here will be the actual vehicle cruise control. And with that, we'll take a brief break and then get on the highway. All right, so now we're going to start out with the system. First, we'll engage cruise control, and now we'll engage automated steering. You'll notice if I basically steer the wheel, that essentially right here, I'll brake and that'll turn the system off. Right here in the top right, if the driver overtakes steering, then basically the system will just silently stop sending commands, or basically it'll disengage. So here we're almost on the highway, and then this drive is here in Rochester, Michigan, really close to Auburn Hills, which is the headquarters of Stellantis. So as we're on this sharp curve, you'll notice a safety feature, which is the cruise control is not engaged, but there's basically a limit to the speed the vehicle is allowed to travel based on the projected forward curvature of the road. All right, now we'll merge and then we can turn on the system. Then we can increment and decrement the speed with the steering wheel buttons. So one thing I'll talk about while we're driving here is the reason we're releasing this video. It's really a proof of concept for our automated steering system and cruise control. There's certainly amazing systems that are currently out there, such as the Ford Blue Cruise, Tesla Autopilot, the Comma Openpilot. Many manufacturers, even most manufacturers today, have very advanced lane centering capabilities, and we're really looking to partner with the industry to build next generation surround vision systems that include things like radars and LiDAR to establish depth and improve safety. So this sort of development ECU is really intended as a first step in partnering with the industry towards next generation systems. And with that, you can reach us at info@deepviewai.com.